Come, let us prepare and make some good profits this week. Our market left us big clues right here. Let's talk about that in today's video. Most importantly, I want to teach you something here to remind you that the worst may not be over. You have to stay focused, not be absolutely complacent, even though you see large green candles like that, right? Better to safe than sorry in the trading world. So just keep a lookout here. But more importantly, I want to show you a particular algorithm here. Now, this is very important on Friday. You need to learn about this. And I just want to show you here. Now, this is at 10:43. You can see the timestamp here. So I've shown you on 21st November. Now, 10:43 is about, at this point, let's see. 10:43 is about, yeah, right here. So this is 10:43 a.m. Okay, pay attention to this because most importantly, you notice we identified the magenta algorithm, right? I'm going to zoom this in. See for yourself again, 10:43. This is a live analysis on the Discord server. Now, there was this magenta here. It's not truly highlighted, but you can see it here, right? A magenta. And just take a look. We had a magenta algorithm here as well. And I talked about how this may chop within the wedge. And see for yourself how we broke out from that right shoulder out of this range. Absolutely beautiful. Now, penny perfect. You need to just remove any sort of biases. Learn to identify good setups. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't, and that's absolutely all right. But in this case, we prepared perfectly for this. And very importantly, I talked about this and I mentioned any upside. I would hope some chop to yellow 653 here, and the pink algorithm exactly as it is. Now, identifying your liquidity is extremely important, and it's only made possible if you have the understanding of the algorithms right there. So this was an absolutely beautiful trade here, all the way to 5-day moving average right there. Now this one's 6-7 points right there on the break from that yellow, almost 8-point trade to the highs. And I shared a very important concept here. I talked about trying to protect the trade at 11:35 to the 5-day moving average if possible. Now 11:35 is right here, right? And you see we went there all because you understood the precision algorithm in that orange. So this was quite an easy trade. And subsequently, I talked about the retest to the QQQ 5-day